It's bright and early. Sorry if I'm whispering because my sister's asleep. We're at my mom's house. We are about to start our journey to Orlando for work tour. We are driving there, if you didn't see the last vlog, and it's early. It's 1:40. I don't know if I said that, but we're about to start this journey. You ready?
As ready as I'll ever be.
The darkness. It's 1:54 and we are starting to get on the road. Okay, I have a little update. Colin's just getting gas. We are at our second rest stop. It's about what time is it? Whoa! It's about 6:30 in the morning. So we left at around 1:45, 2 o'clock. So we've been on the road for a bit. We stopped in New Jersey for a little bathroom break and a little snack break. And then now I think we're in Maryland, I believe. So we have, I think, 6 hours to go till our hotel, but we also might stop at, what's it called? South of the border, I think, which is like this tourist trap, which I love a tourist trap. So we might do that today. We might not. We might do it on the way home. We're just not sure yet. So we're grabbing gas and then we're getting back on the road. It's freezing outside. Guess how much this coffee cost? $8. $8 for 2 rest stop coffees that I had to make myself. Maryland. Grass-fed pigglers. You know what?
Turn right.
Baby. Oh my god.
Slipped all the racks.
Like, where am I right now?
Colin?
We just got to the hotel. I'm exhausted, okay? It's been 13 hours in the car. I am so ready to just shower and lay down. South of the border, what a random place. I did not expect it to be that. I don't know what I expected it to be, but it was a waste of time. I don't understand like the whole like Mexico in the middle of South Carolina thing. But we're staying at the Fairfield Suites, and I wanted to give you a little room tour because this vlog has been nothing. This has been a vlog of us just driving. So I'll give you a little hotel tour. So when we walk in, we have the bathroom, we have a little tub, and then we just have a queen suite. So 2 queen beds, 1 for sleeping, 1 for stuff. It's really nice. It's a Fairfield Inn, a Marriott Bonvoy hotel. I love a Marriott hotel. So I feel like that's where I'm gonna end today because we're just gonna get into bed and relax and chill and shower and just like get some sleep because we woke up at 1 o'clock this morning, and tomorrow we're not gonna get up as early. We don't need to. It's only a 5-hour drive to Florida, and then we're gonna head to my cousin's house because we're gonna stay with her for the night because our hotel isn't until Thursday, the one that we booked for Warped Tour. We actually left a little earlier than we wanted to because we had to drive. So we're just gonna stay with her and we're gonna probably bop around there downtown. She lives in Winter Park, so she's gonna be working all day. So we're just gonna probably hang out, and that will be in tomorrow's clips. I don't know what I'm saying. I need to go to sleep. So I'll see you tomorrow. Don't mind my gorgeous buckle. We are starting our day 2 road trip down to Florida. We're getting gas, we're gonna get some Starbucks, and we're gonna hit the road. It's about 5 to 6 hours, I can't remember, but we have time to waste. So let's go get some caffeine. Colin's gonna get caffeine. I get decaf now. I don't really drink coffee anymore. So this has been an interesting road trip.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
So is Buc-ee's our next stop?
Yep, Buc-ee's. Oh, I'm gonna come out with so much merch. Everyone's getting Buc-ee's merch for Christmas.
We should. That'd be so hilarious.
Thank you.
And here's the camera brulee.
We made it to Florida. We officially made it to Buc-ee's as well. just finished walking around Buc-ee's. We got some lunch. It's so funny what like Colin gets excited over versus what I get excited over. So we just finished eating and they had like cinnamon rolls in there, and I was like, are you sure you don't want a cinnamon roll before we go? And he decided he wanted a cinnamon roll, so he just went back to get that. And he's just been dying to see this place. I don't know what it is. It's just like a gas station.